Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of Thailand's most beloved desserts, mango sticky rice. It's sweet, it's creamy, and it's absolutely irresistible. So, let's get started! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mama Mary here. First things first, let's go over the ingredients we need. Our simple ingredients are 1 cup of glutinous rice or sticky rice, sweet mangoes, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and roasted sesame seeds. Let's get started. Rinse the sticky rice with tap water and use your hand to gently stir it. Drain the water to remove the excess starch until the water is almost clear. Then we'll soak the sticky rice for a minimum of 4 hours. Here's our soaked sticky rice. Rinse again and drain the water completely. Time to steam our sticky rice. I will be using a bamboo steamer. You can use any regular steamer you want. We will be using a wet cloth to line the steamer. We'll now place the rice over the cloth and we should distribute the rice evenly so it will be evenly cooked. Cover the sticky rice completely and cover the bamboo steamer completely, and let's start steaming. We will be steaming the sticky rice for 25 minutes or until the rice is cooked. While the rice is steaming, let's prepare the coconut sauce. First is the coconut sauce for the sticky rice. We will mix 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and mix it very well and set aside. Next is to prepare our creamy coconut sauce for our mango sticky rice. Let's all add the 1/2 cup of coconut milk, the remaining sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and the remaining salt. Cook it over a medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar is completely dissolved and a little bit thick. And set aside. Our sticky rice is ready. It is slightly translucent and still very chewy. Let's transfer the sticky rice into our mixing bowl. Let us now add the coconut milk for our sticky rice. Pour the coconut milk mixture over the hot sticky rice, stirring gently, and completely dissolve the coconut milk to the sticky rice. Cover the bowl and let it sit for about 20 minutes to allow the rice to absorb all the creamy goodness. While the rice is absorbing the coconut milk, let us prepare our mangoes. Our sweet mangoes. Let us slice our mangoes and peel our mangoes. These mangoes are so sweet, and these are from Philippines. Remove the peel and slice it into even pieces, or you can slice it the way how you wanted to create the plating of your mango sticky rice. Remember, mangoes should be ripe and sweet to complement the creamy sticky rice. Now the fun part, plating. Let's create our delicious mango sticky rice. Scoop a generous portion of sticky rice onto our plate. Look at our sticky rice, it's still chewy. And arrange the mango slices beautifully on the sides of our sticky rice. Our vibrant and sweet mangoes from Philippines. You can prepare the sticky rice the way you wanted it and be creative. So excited for my mango sticky rice. Next is to drizzle a generous amount of our creamy coconut milk sauce. We cooked it perfectly. It's not too runny, it's not too thick. And now, the final touch. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds, or you can also sprinkle with toasted coconut. Look how beautiful our sticky rice. There you have it, the perfect mango sticky rice. This is absolutely amazing. The combination of the sweet mango with the creamy coconut infused sticky rice is just perfect. It's a must-try recipe for any dessert lover out there. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this mango sticky rice recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.